pooping my pants. Swamp ass.
Decided to, while we're here and whatnot, change the serpentine belt. Kinda needed-ish. Makes a little bit of noise on cold starts. I don't know if it's just the AC compressor or just the belt. The belt does have a little bit of ridges in it, so I'm just gonna replace it. 32 bucks, not that bad. So I'm doing this shit real quick. I just popped it off. I just gotta slither it out and slither the new one in somehow. I never really routed a belt before like this, but hey, we gonna learn. Oh yeah! Foncion over there doing long tube headers and X-pipe on his C5.
Corvette.
He said there's a possibility we might make a video, but you know, we'll see his bluff, you know. Before we skedaddle to Florida and whatnot, do a little test drive ride along in that thing, make a video on it, which would be dope. Because I really wanted a C5. I was looking at that before getting another TSX, but then I seen the TSX and I just jumped on it, and now we're in this rebuild, so. Alright, y'all, so we got it on. It wasn't too bad. It literally took 10 minutes, if that. I started with the bottom portion, got it all routed, lined up. Obviously the top for the last. I had my brother help me to release the tension. I wouldn't be able to do that with like one hand because it's kind of a pain. And
It's done.
yeah, it's done. Look at it, fresh belt. The belt didn't necessarily need to be changed. It was a little bit worn over time and stuff, and one of the portions on the back side was a little bit more worn down. I already took it off. I just put the new one on. It was $32, but what the f ever. So, yeah, we just got that done. Little maintenance. What up, guys? It is your boy, Rich, coming back, you know, carry on with this vlog. Your boy's a little stressed out lately, my mentals and shit, but just wanting to do more, and I can't do more and things like that, but hey, we won't push through it. As always, we conquer it all. Got the car out right now. Got the Civic started because your boy's about to hit the gym. I gotta find my motivation. Yeah, I'm about to go hit the gym for like 45 minutes, maybe an hour or so, and do a little workout and hit the treadmill for like 20 minutes or so. She's gonna be cleaning up inside of here. That was like the plan for today. Cleaning up all inside of here, making it nice again, getting shit organized. I'm gonna start installing my rear sway bar. Get you guys back on the cam. Dusty as hell. Your boy is back from the gym. Yeah, I mean, the garage is kind of cleaned up a lot for the most part. You know, she handled that while I was at the gym. Still, you know, doing a little bit of touch-ups and whatnot, and sweeping, and Dusty in there and shit. Give you guys some updates soon. Today, it is a beautiful day. We're gonna be installing my Progress rear sway bar that I painted. Previous video to this one, I think. We're pumping out a lot of videos and trying to make it, you know, trying to do big things, trying to grow the channel. I mean, that blue is semi-similar, just not as deep, right? Got this thing out and gonna be installing it right now. Just kind of keep making progress, doing things on the side while I can. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in and supporting the channel, helping me grow, almost at 3K subscribers. Let's hit that 3K subscriber goal, man. I know we can. Each video I post, we keep on jumping up. So after 3K, let's hit 5K. And so on and so forth, man. Like, I'm trying to do big things, going to Florida to level up, do different things, level up the content, vibes, and be able to just vlog more, out and about and vlog more, because there's more to do out there and just better scenery. Let's start. This thing is a lot thicker, guys, than the OEM. This is a 22 millimeter. I don't know what the OEM sizing is, but yeah, this shit is a lot thicker. This is a big upgrade on the TSXs, if you guys don't know. A lot of people recommend it, so if you guys haven't already, go get yourself the TL Type S one or the Progress one. Either or I recommend it. I believe the Progress is better because it is thicker and whatnot. You're gonna feel the difference on turns and driving back roads and stuff like that. So that being said, let's get out the jack and get this thing up.
Up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up.
Anyone else cringe with that sound? Like just the jack on pavement? Oh man, it's so brutal. Set you guys up on a monopod, you feel me? It's what you guys be chilling on. Come hang out with your boy. This is beautiful weather. For that, this car don't go nowhere because I'm lifting up the rear. Usually the e-brake's up because there's no gearing or anything to hold up the front end. So what you definitely want to do is get some PB Blaster, Freol, whatever your pleasure is, and go spray these nuts up, cause grease these nuts. Especially if you live in New England area, these shits are gonna be f***ing rusty. Yeah, just give it some little sprays. The ones for like the bushings aren't really too bad, but usually the sway bar end links, they kind of like a little bitch to, you know, take off. Yeah, just see how it works. I'm gonna let it penetrate for a little bit. Penetration for, you know, like 10 minutes or so. All you really need for this job, power tools, but for the sway bar bushings, the OEM, it is a 12 mil. So get yourself a 12 mil, some sort of probably like vice grips or something for the sway end links to hold it if it starts spinning. Maybe you could use a Allen key, because I think it has like an insert there too, but I'm gonna just try the vice grips way like I normally do. So yeah, and the sway bar end link to take off the one side is a 14 mil. So let's get to it. So you guys see how small the OEM one is. Don't look at the rust, but look how small that is. Just get started and get to it. I'm gonna start with removing the sway bar end link from, let's see if I can get it, that portion right there, because that's the only side you got to take off. I didn't take the wheel off, which you probably maybe should to get more room and whatnot, but I'm gonna try to do it this way and not do it because I'm a little lazy right now and I already got the car up. So yeah, let's get to it, folks. Oh, man. Spinning. Just like that, guys. So instead of a vice grip, you just get yourself an adjustable wrench, and then you'll be able to pop that out. Let me go do the same for the other side now. Gotta use that double arm restraints, bruh. Easy as that, guys, easy as that. You can do it. Simple tools just to do it. Adjustable, 14, a ratchet, and you're good to go. And a 12 mil. We're gonna grab our ratchet in the 12 mil with extension and crack these two bolts right here, 12 mils. Then same thing for the other side. I'm not gonna record it too much because I can't really get a good angle. So guys, as I put the camera down and started, the first bolt snapped. Like I don't know why. Shit's rusty. So now I have to, look how cruddy that shit is. Yeah, the nut is welded on the other side. I really hope I'll be able to like get a punch and, you know, beat the living shit out of it and be able to fucking break it free through and just get a replacement and get a nut on, because you have enough room, you know, finger room and stuff, whatever, to put another nut on, but kind of thick up in there. And went to the other side and the same bolt snapped on the other side. It ain't a wrist job without some fucking bolts needing to be snapped, I guess. New England cars, guys. I got this shit from Mass, so to be expected, I suppose. Don't you guys love strip bolts and snapping bolts? So you're gonna have to bring it down on the driver's rear side over here. Bring it down underneath and bring this one over. Yeah, easy as that. Just look at the thickness difference. Progress OEM. Like that is a huge difference. I feel like I left this one out on when I did that top 5 mod videos. The rear sway bar is literally like a top 5. Should have done like a top 6, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I could possibly bang them things out. I gotta go pick up some food soon because motherfuckers are hungry. Gotta see what I want. I've been in the gym trying to do my thing, but you know, not trying to stress myself out, but still, you know, being happy. So try and do that. Try to tackle this again, and I gotta play some games with my nephew because I promised him that. So yes sir. Update guys, I tried something out. I got this punch. It snapped on me, which is good. I wanted it to do that. I was actually wanting to shorten it so it could have a better like surface, because it was kind of like bent and whatnot, and was able to get the shitty ass welds broken off by just whacking it with big hammer and a punch. So I'm gonna see if I can show you guys on that side. Oh man, this one's a little bit worse, but it should be the same process though, because as long as I could break off the welds on the opposite side, it's all good, because it's holding on at 3 places and it's pretty shitty welds, so especially if it's rusted. There we go. And some rust. So you just gotta go hit it like a fucking man. Luckily this part is not threaded. Oh yes.
I've been pooping my pants. Swamp ass.
What is going on guys? It is your boy Rich Bitch, your favorite TSX YouTuber now, cause you know I'm putting on for the community, bro. Non-stop uploads, non-stop TSX stuff.
What are we doing today?
So today I'm just replacing the ground wire cables right now. I just went to Ace Hardware, picked up some new bolts and washers and shit like that. Spent $16 here on a couple bolts and washers and nuts. Yeah, I think these should work right now. I'm definitely gonna in the future change them out because they probably end up rusting. Let me just do this real quick, then we're gonna be finishing up installing the rear sway bar. I got new bolts for that and nuts. As you guys seen, 2 of them snapped and I had to bang them out. You know, it's just how it goes. You look at me like that? Looking at me like I'm crazy or something? I ain't crazy. This is why I'm replacing the ground wires. This thing is shot. All right, now we got ourselves set up on the jack stands in the rear. We got K-tuned grounds in. I'm not a big fan of K-tune products, but the ground wire doesn't look bad. For ground wires, you don't expect it to be too bad or whatnot, so should be pretty good. I got new bolts for this as well. I bought some because the 2 ones snapped and the other 2 are pretty rusty, so I think I got the correct sizing, I hope. Definitely gonna be buying new ones because look at this shit, guys. Things are definitely like old. For right now, I'm gonna put it in because it's easy to swap these out. But I just want to change out the bar. But yeah, I gotta order a lot of stuff, guys, so bear with me. So guys, I'm wearing safety glasses now because you can tell my right eye is kind of fucked up right now. Got like rust or some sort of debris in my eye. But we finally got the sway bar slotted in. With my exhaust and it being a lot thicker and how it's routed and whatever, it was a little bit harder to get the sway bar in. I bashed my finger in between metal. So that was like fun. These don't even fit. So I have to reuse the old ones and get new ones when I can. Swap that out whenever I get new bushings as well. But yeah, let's just try to get this on real quick and just get it over with. On this side, you want to get it all the way and like push it further in as much as you can. Have it twisted to where this end is pointed toward the ground that way, so you could get that further in and get that side back enough so you could get it above this control arm, because you guys got to get it above this, so that's why you have to, you know, do it that way, because you got to get to the sway bar end link. So I don't know if it showed you too well there, but yeah, let me finish bolting everything up and tighten things and we will be done. Tighten that up now. Right home, Alabama. Wasn't too hard, just a little tedious trying to do it by yourself and, you know, work everything. But it's looking pretty good. So much thicker than the OEM one, guys. But this is where I had the most trouble. But we got it in, got it to work. Alright, so we finally got the sway bar installed. I think that's gonna be it for this video. Installing my rear progress sway bar. This isn't too hard. You can do it yourself, guys. Just need a couple tools and whatnot, and possibly some new bolts and nuts. So yeah, I've been trying to find like little things to do, like sway bar. Started doing that, then kind of stopped because the rebuild thing. You know, like we did the oil return bung on that part. Let's get my car back on the ground. I need to go buy some things like the bit for this to be able to take out the short shifter. I guess I could go buy it at AutoZone. I'm gonna do that tomorrow because your boy get paid and shit. And I've been spending all this money left and right, and I'm not trying to. That being said, it's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys tune into the next one. Being consistent, trying to upload like 2, 3, 4 times a week, man. I don't know, I'm just trying to upload, give you guys content, and make the channel grow. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Road to 5K subscribers. Let's get it. Rich gang, bitch.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see.